Hello and welcome back to AKA Auto Garage, your home for defense, jets, and military tech from around the world. Today, we dive into one of the most secretive and powerful aircraft ever built, the US B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. An engineering marvel that can fly across the world, strike deep into enemy territory, and disappear without a trace. The B-2 Spirit was developed by Northrop Grumman and first flew in 1989, entering service in 1997. It was part of the Advanced Technology Bomber program during the Cold War, designed to penetrate Soviet air defenses. Originally, the US planned to build 132 bombers, but due to the collapse of the Soviet Union and high costs, only 21 were made. Today, only 19 are active, making it one of the rarest aircraft in service. What makes the B-2 truly special is its flying wing design, with no tail or fuselage. This unique shape, combined with radar-absorbing materials and thermal reduction systems, makes it nearly invisible to radar. To enemy radars, the B-2 appears smaller than a bird. It has a wingspan of 172 feet, can fly at 50,000 feet, and has a low observable cross-section that gives it unmatched stealth capabilities. The B-2 can fly over 11,000 kilometers without refueling. With aerial refueling, it can strike targets anywhere on Earth. Its weapons bay can carry up to 80 JDAM GPS-guided bombs, or 16 nuclear B-83 bombs, or the powerful GBU-57 Massive Ordnance Penetrator (MOP), a 30,000-pound bomb designed to destroy underground bunkers. The B-2 made its combat debut in 1999 during the Kosovo War, bombing Serbian targets. It also played key roles in Iraq, Afghanistan, and Libya. In a recent 2025 mission, the B-2 was reportedly used to strike Iran's Fordo nuclear site, dropping bunker-busting MOPs. Its stealth allowed it to evade radar and attack before the enemy could react, showing its real-world strategic power. The B-2 is not just powerful, it's also expensive. Each unit cost over $2 billion, including R&D. It remains the most expensive aircraft ever built. Only one B-2 has been lost, during a crash in Guam in 2008. Both pilots ejected safely. Maintenance and operation require a large support crew, and stealth coating repairs are extremely delicate. With only 19 B-2s left and rising global threats, the U.S. Air Force is preparing its replacement, the B-21 Raider, expected to enter service in the early 2030s. Until then, the B-2 remains a key tool in America's long-range strike capability. And that's the story of the legendary B-2 Spirit, a bomber that changed the rules of modern warfare. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AKA Auto Garage. Tell us in the comments, should we cover the F-35 Lightning II or the new B-21 next? See you in the next mission.